The Air Jordan 1 Blacktoe is a timeless classic that continues to define sneaker culture. Originally released in 1985, this iconic colorway has seen a handful of retros, but each drop feels just as essential as the first. Now, in 2025, Jordan Brand is bringing back a piece of history as the Blacktoe 1s make it back to shelves for the next generation of sneakerheads. These are the Nike Air Jordan 1 Blacktoes. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we're big fans of the Jordan 1, especially in their original colors. But before we jump into the episode, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at these. But let's go ahead and dive into the details of this classic sneaker right here. Starting at the top of the tongue, they do feature a black nylon tongue tag with the red Nike Air logo. The tongue itself is also black, made of this soft nylon material, and there's padding encapsulated within. They come with flat black laces as well as an extra set of red laces. Taking us down to the toe box, they feature this white leather with perforated holes. As you get towards the tip of the toe, you do have this black leather overlay, hence the nickname the Blacktoes, and that leather overlay extends into the side of the shoe. As you get to the quarter panel, you have more white leather with a black leather Nike swoosh that extends towards the back of the shoe. Right above the Nike swoosh on the red collars where it gets a little different, normally you would see the Air Jordan Wings logo, but they went with the prototype sample Air Jordan text logo. A little Easter egg on the left shoe, the inside collar has a note from Michael Jordan that says "My very best," and it also has his signature that you can see in the light when you hold it at the right angle. And this is based off a real game-worn pair that he gave to a friend. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have a combination of black, red, and white leather. Taking us to the midsole, you have that classic Jordan 1 midsole in this rubberized material, and it comes in this off-white sail color. Taking us to the outsole, you have your traditional Jordan 1 outsole in red with a Nike Air logo in the midfoot. The Air Jordan 1 turns 40 this year, marking 4 decades of shaping sneaker culture as we know it. Originally released in 1985, this silhouette debuted in iconic colorways like the black and red, the Chicagos, the Royals, and the Blacktoes, featured here in its classic color blocking design. Created by the legendary Peter Moore, who also designed the Nike Dunk, the Jordan 1 remains a cornerstone of sneaker history. Hollywood even paid homage to this legendary sneaker in Air, a 2023 film that tells the story behind its creation. Over the years, the Blacktoe has been reissued multiple times, but this release is unique, drawing inspiration from the original 1985 samples. Notably, it features the Air Jordan text on the collar instead of the iconic Wings logo. It's all packaged in a special commemorative box, complete with a vintage photo of Michael Jordan holding the sample pair over his shoulder. This release is a true celebration of the Air Jordan 1's legacy, an essential piece for any collector. I've had a couple pairs of Blacktoe 1s over the years. I had them when they dropped with the New Love, Old Love pack that came with those black and yellow ones, and I had the pair from 2012 or 2013. And it's not as popular as the black and reds or the Chicagos, but it's right up there for me. It's definitely one of my personal favorites, and it's really cool to see Nike bring them back. Now, I prefer the Air Jordan Wings logo, but I do like that they're doing a little bit more storytelling and, giving us that prototype with that Air Jordan text logo, so I'm not mad at these at all. The Air Jordan 1 Blacktoe releases on February 15th on sneakers and other retailers. If you're in the area, make sure you stop by 1985 Gallery to grab your pair. But if you miss out online or in store, you can always click our StockX affiliate link in the description below. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming. As far as comfort goes, the Jordan 1 is a sneaker from 40 years ago, so the tech is a little bit outdated, but to me, it's not uncomfortable. I can wear these for hours on end, and I don't have any issues. As far as sizing is concerned, I do recommend going true to size. If you have a wider foot, you might want to go a half size up, as they do run a little bit narrow in the toe. Now, as far as style, we've already mentioned that this is one of the greatest sneakers of all time. This silhouette is timeless, it's classic, especially in those original colors. You really can't go wrong. Just like the black and red Jordan 1 or the Chicago Jordan 1, you don't have to match the Blacktoes with other black and red and white colors. You can pretty much wear these with anything, and it'd be really hard to brick your fit. Honestly, this is a great shoe that's very versatile. Love having these in the collection. But how do you all feel about the Nike Air Jordan 1 Blacktoes with the commemorative box, the 40th anniversary of the Jordan 1 altogether? Is it something you've been looking forward to, wanting to add to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you all. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can help support the channel and be notified anytime we drop new episodes. But let's go ahead and try these on.
My Jordan 1s from 1985, flow remarkable, like that Brooklyn guy with the lazy eye, trying to get my paper right, tell these haters take a hike, I pull up in my favorite Nikes, you really can't fake the vibes, flowing like Las Vegas lights, I'm feeling lucky every single time I shake the dice, vintage Jordans got me taking flight, shining like the tongue on my metallic vibes, back in 94 I passed out Michael Jordan Valentines, I'm strictly business dog, I'm not here to fraternize, Royals or Chicago's, sometimes I really can't decide. Pressure's all that I apply, ain't buying what they advertise. I ain't into all that bullshit they try to glamorize. Got discipline, sharpening my sword like a samurai. This is just a sample size, but swoosh pack is canonized. My Jordan 1s are older than me, 85. Who you know that's colder than me? Ice cold. I got drive, so I overachieve. When it's time to do work, I just roll up my
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Air Jordan 1, make sure you check out all our other retro Jordan reviews. We have a bunch for you all to binge and enjoy. Also, hit that like and subscribe button while you're at it so you can stay up to date every time we drop new episodes, and we'll catch you on the next one.